Hello, book friends. This story is called Vroomaloom, Zoom. It's about a little girl that goes on a night ride with her dad. All right, here we go. One August evening, cake bake hot, Carmela and her dad decide on a ride. Bring your blankie. Dad grabs the keys. Carmela buckles up in the big yellow car. So there goes Carmela. And she has her blankie. And there goes Dad and the big yellow car. Let's see where they go. Ready for sleep? Dad says as they drive out of town. Not yet, Daddy. Keep driving. So they drive past farms. Cackle, lackle. Cackle, lackle. Through woods. Whoo, 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 whoo. In cities. Pell-mell, bell-yell. Pell-mell, bell-yell. All the way to the sea. Splash, dash, wave, crash. Ready? Not yet, Daddy. Keep driving. So they drive across swamps. Wurgle-lurgle, wurgle-lurgle. Over streams. Pip-o-lip, dip-o-lip, pip-o-lip, dip-o-lip. Up mountains. Hip-hop, tippy-top, hip-hop, tippy-top. And around waterfalls. Rah-rah, rah-rah, rah-rah-rah, rah-rah, rah-rah, rah-rah-rah. Ready? Not yet, Daddy. Keep driving. Ooh, Carmela is still not sleepy. So they drive forward. Swoosh, a whoosh. Backward. Deep, be-deep, 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 be-deep. Sideways. Jig-jag, zigzag. Jig-jag, zigzag. And around in circles. Hoop-de-doop-de, swoop-de-loop-de. Hoop-de-doop-de, swoop-de-loop-de. Wow. Carmela's eyes close as she snuggles in her seat. Oh, how comfy. Zoom. Now you're ready, Dad whispers. She pops open an eye. Not yet, Daddy. Keep driving. Oh, she tricked her daddy. Vroomaloom, zoomaloom, vroom zoom. Vroomaloom, zoomaloom, vroom zoom. And that's the end of Vroomaloom Zoom. I'm gonna clap. Can you clap with me? Yay! Did you enjoy all those funny sounds? They were fun, weren't they? Yeah, and all that time, Carmela never went to sleep, did she? And she went all around town, yeah, in streams and swamps and cities and farms. That was so much fun. Well, I hope you're getting sleepy. Good night, book friends.